Today, we are going to see some of the features on order management while booking the order. Okay, so some of the features are available from 25B. It's a very useful concept. When you're booking the item, sometimes item may not be available or is not properly configured. So this type of things will happen while booking the orders. So without booking, we can check that whether the item is availability or not and it properly configured or not. So this concept is coming from 25B. So just I'm going to order management. So previously, this when you are booking only that error is coming. Now that problem is removed, and while booking before booking only, we can get that problems. And we get to know what type of problems will coming, so that we can modify that, we can rectify that error, and we can book that sales order. Okay. So I'm going to sales order. This is a Redwood page, it's a normal part page. So I'm creating sales order here. So I'm taking one customer. Then go down. So I'm taking one item. So I've created one test item. So we can add billing set everything from here. So if you want, you can add. Click on this. We go here. Check that expected availability. So we are not validate. So any errors are there. So how can you? We previously is not there. When after booking only, we can come to know what type of errors are there. So see, expected availability action done completed for one line item. Sourcing is not set up properly. Okay. I'm checking it. Check your item setup, assign your sourcing rule, and refresh the order process. So everything is coming. Previously, is not there. This type of notification. Suppose when after booking only, we can come to know that the order is problems. Okay, so that problem is now rectified before booking only. So what type of steps you have taken care of? So to rectify this error also is giving. So this type of things are not available in classic pages. Okay, so it is available in Redwood only. So if you have any doubts on this, so please let me know. So on this feature, so I can give one more video on this how to rectify these errors also in next video. So please watch and subscribe. Thank you.